So when we talk about retrofit at Vector Systems, we're really talking about taking care of the systems that we've built over the last decade. We have hundreds of units in the field that are now 9 to 14 years old, and plants are running those systems harder than they ever expected. Higher loads, turbine uprates, stricter emissions, and much tighter reliability requirements. That's where retrofit comes in. We upgrade systems, the entire SCR system, starting from unloading stations, tanks, forwarding skids, vaporization, ammonia injection grids, so we can handle the full scope of an SCR system as a retrofit. Whether it's a turbine uprate, a reliability improvement, or projects like EPC projects, we're seeing the same thing everywhere, that customers want more out of the systems that they're currently using. Our job is to modernize those units and support them long term. Retrofit lets us extend the life of our products out in the field without having to do a full system replacement. We can do overhauls, which is nice for the customer. And in most cases, we can work with subcontractors to provide a complete turnkey solution as well. A lot of times, it's nice for the customer to just have one point of contact. We have a good service team as well that can get out there and oversee the projects so that we can ensure, our subject matter experts can ensure that the contractors are doing what's correct and necessary to make the systems reliable and meet the guarantees that the sites have to deal with and report.